Good evening, guys. Long time no see. Welcome back to our trading channel, that is Cosmo-Trading. So today we'll look at the charts and we'll decide the market trend for tomorrow, that is Tuesday. So what are we going to analyze is about Nifty, Bank Nifty as well as USDINR. So first we'll take a look at Nifty. So Nifty was showing some downside because of the elections and several other reasons also. So on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it showed some red candles and took the market down, and it probably shown like that it has taken down the weekly trend line also. But on Friday, it shows some positive momentum, which was a nice bullish hammer candle. And now on Monday, we got a confirmation to this bullish hammer candle. So it looks like the bad sentiments are gone, but still there are some issues going on in the global market. About US market, if you can see, then there is a debt ceiling issue going on, which is that federal government can borrow the amount only now if it repays some loan. So there is limit that they have touch of getting the loans. So that is debt ceiling, and that is troubling to the US market. And if it crosses, and if US government doesn't manage this issue, then we could see the markets crashing down. So that thing is concerning to the US market. So that's why global market are in a cautious zone. But if global markets remains from neutral to positive, then we may see upside from here, because Indian markets are strong, we know that. So market is in zone and trying to test this trend line, and I feel it has successfully tested this trend line. If any dips comes, then again this dip will be bought, and we can see a nice upside momentum again. So this dip can be taken as a positive sign to buy if it comes. So tomorrow, if it gaps down, then you can see buy. And I don't expect market to go and show some nice big momentum because of the global concerns. But this bullish hammer, this nice green candle can give some upside momentum, and it can try to test the all-time high, recent all-time high, you can say. So now we'll take a look at Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty has been staying in a range because of the global concerns, and there was this news of RBI, which eventually made Bank to be remaining cautious. And Bank are cautious because Bank has moved a lot than Nifty. So Nifty's all-time here is all-time high is near 19,000, and Bank Nifty is almost near to its all-time high. So that's the difference. But still, banks are still strong. I won't say that they are weak. Banks are trying to form a pattern. This is the pattern. I guess it's more like of a triangle pattern, and if it breaks out from here, then we could see a nice upside momentum, and we can test the all-time. We can cross the all-time high and form a new all-time high from there. What I'm thinking, I'm not ready to go on the upside side directly until and unless banks as well as Nifty's give a strong signals on hourly time frame or intraday time frame. So till the time, I will wait and watch how the market moves, and we'll take the trade from there. But if you want to trade then on intraday basis, then you can trade for upside, that's for sure. Now also we'll take a look at USDINR. So USDINR has been reversed from here, and now it has shown a pause in a momentum. I feel that we could trade the USDINR for a negative side, that is on a put side, because it has formed a hammer, inverted hammer, bearish inverted hammer, and which results eventually on the negative side, and it may reverse from here. So that's the thing, and I will keep the stop loss very near to this zone. So eventually I will have a high risk and reward ratio on USDINR, that's for sure. So now we'll try to give a verdict on Nifty Banknifty USDINR. So Nifty got confirmation and can show some upside, and Nifty is more positive than Bank Nifty. If global remains positive, neutral to positive, and Bank Nifty is in range, and if it crosses this range, then we could see a nice upside momentum. Waiting to cross the range. And for USDINR, there is pause on upside and can reverse from here. So you can bet it from here for a downside. Now we'll take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, if we look at Dow Jones might look bearish, but still it's not that bearish if we could expect. And if Dow Jones remains above this trend line, then we can expect that Dow Jones can reverse soon from here and again try to close at all-time high if it does. But it may take some time to clear the air for USDINR, a US market. So that's for Dow Jones. Now we'll look at FIDI data to know further about the positions FI has taken. So the number of calls and puts are almost equal. So that's a kind of a positive buy. That's a kind of a positive sign from FII as they have cleared the bad sentiments for Indian markets. And even the OI has pretty much down, and you can see the upside line. If we also look at the positions are not too big, but it's still on a bullish bias rather than bearish bias, and index future is neutral, I would say. And stocks is positive. So overall, FI data is mild bullish, we can say, and there is significant reduction in the future OI and has gone into the positive side from the negative side. So that's a kind of a mild bullish sign from the US, from FI as well as DIS. Now we'll give the verdict and trades for tomorrow's market. So Dow Jones ceiling issue is still in concern, and so market won't rally till the issues is been sorted out. For USDINR, we talked about can reverse from here. FI data is kind of mild bullish verdict. So market can give upside, and if you are taking an intraday, take on a bullish bias side because IT has started to rally. Even the Tech Mahindra today has given around 3%, and yesterday on Friday it gave around 2%. Even the Wipro has started to rally. So lots of positive scenario on IT sector specifically, and for pharma sector also they have taken the supports from the lower levels and they are ready to go on upside until and unless US market and global market shows some bearishness in the global scenario. Till the time, the trade will be buy on dips with this tight, strong stop loss because we don't know whenever the global scenarios may change. So tight stop loss is necessary. But if you want to take the trade, then buy on dips is for sure. And if tomorrow market gap downs, you can possibly buy by seeing the global scenarios if it remains positive. If tomorrow opens gap down, then you can wait and enter. Why you should wait? You should wait for the market to settle down the price. I feel it may show some of the downside once it pretty much opens gap down then. So thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see you later. Bye bye.